People only see the finished content, but they rarely see what it takes to get there. This is behind the scene, the planning, the retakes, the moments that don't go as expected, and the patience it takes to bring an idea to life. Every shot tells a story, but every story starts before the camera starts rolling. This is a reminder that great content isn't about being perfect. It's about showing up, staying consistent, and trusting the process. Here's a look at what happens before you see the final result.
3, 2, 1. Artificial solar panel generates electricity. Sorry. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Action. No, even better. Action. Okay, sorry, let's have it. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Last time. 3, 2, 1. Action. Bifacial panel generate electricity from both the front and the back. And this is what I think.